For every job posting that you see as a new remote worker, look closely. There are a set of skills, a set of tools attached to it that you are required to know, that you are required to master to be able to deliver on this job. You may just read the job description and scroll past and say, oh, yeah, I can do this. Yeah, I can do this. But you probably didn't pay attention to the tools they said you must know how to use. Then you send a proposal, and then you get invited to the interview. And the client says, oh, yeah, can you please walk me through how you use Asana? Again, that's when the chickens come home to roost. You feel lost. You have no idea what to talk about. Or he asks you, what are you most comfortable with in Google Workspace? You're lost. Show me how you use ClickUp, Loom. Can you write an SOP? Something. Pick anything. A gazillion list of tools that you know nothing about. But then you've started your remote career with a proposal, which is going in reverse. That's not the way to start. You need to start from mastering the tools that remote workers use. The tools that your clients will use. You need to figure out what niche are you going to be in? What kind of service are you going to provide to these remote clients? You master that, and then you master the tools that are needed to deliver in that niche. This is the basic. You must start from here. You do not start with proposals, or else you will completely feel lost most of the time. You will spend more time confused than delivering actual work. And this is the exact gap we cover in the Remote Work Accelerator program. It's a 4-week program designed to teach you and handhold you until you learn all of the tools that you need to deliver and help you to select the niche based on your strengths, so you know what you're going into the remote work industry to do. And then you get certified, so you can have proof of your training to show to these clients. They cannot just pay you without knowing that you know what you're coming to do with them. You're not coming in to slow their team down, that you're coming to work and dive into their workflow and help them deliver. They can't just pay you for nothing. And they are not looking for who to start training from scratch. They need somebody who can jump in and know what to do and how to get it done. So our cohort 4 is starting very soon, and the seats sell out fast. If you'd like to grab a seat, comment cohort 4 or DM me cohort 4, and I'll send you the link in your DM.